Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Blue Monday on January the 20th 2020 we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Okay, I see here one in this column, a one in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for a 1 should be here. Then an 8 in this first column, an 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then a 5 in this row, a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be here. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here a 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 is this one. 6 in this column, the third column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left for this big square, for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there in these 2 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in this box. Only place for the 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 5 is missing, and then 9 is missing. I see here a 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 5 and 9, 5 and 9 for this big square. I cannot fill this yet, I need more information. 5 and 9, that means in the first column, 1 box is left for the number 4. Yes, 4 is missing. The second column, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 1 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers. In the third column, the numbers are 2, 3, and 5. I see here 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. 1 digit left is number 5. So here we have a pair 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then a 3 in the third row, a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the first column. The numbers are 2 and 6. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes here. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. This should be this one. A 7. Then let me see. Can I do something with I'm stuck. Haha. Well. These 3 numbers for this column, for the numbers 8, 5, and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 8 and 5, 8 and 5 left. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left for this big square. For the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for 4 is here, here, or there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 8. Should be this one. 1 missing number in the second row for the number 6. Yes, 6. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then 6 and 8. Yes, in the middle row, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 6, and 8. 1, 6, and 8. I see here an 8 and a 6. So no 8 and 6 there. That means 1 digit is left. The 1 should be here. 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We have a pair. 8 and 6. 8 and 6. Then and 1 in the last row, a 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there, but I see here already are 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then let me see. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3, 9, and 8. I see here 3, so no 3 there. I see here 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 3, 9, and 3, 9, and 7. 3, 9, and 7. I made the mistake. 3, 9, and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 6. 2 missing numbers here in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 5. No, not 8 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 5 and 6. I see here 5 or there are 5, so no 5 in this box. 5 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. In this column, the middle column, 1 box is left for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Now we have a 3 there. So no 3 here. 3 should be there. And the 2 goes here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 we have here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 there. No 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we finish this in 15 minutes. Alright, people. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Monday, Blue Monday today. Bye bye.